tired of the headlights looking like shit or crap. So anyway, so I'm just sanding them down right now with 1000, and then we're gonna re-clear them with automotive clear, and I'm gonna use my spray at 33,000 so that I don't have to cover the whole car. I can just turn the thing way down to like almost spitting and put the clear on the headlights and make it look beautiful. I did my other car, throw it on the other channel. We're gonna put the one on each channel for you guys so that everybody can see this. Pretty cool. A lot of guys are doing this, you know. So my friend does this at the shop. When he repaints somebody's car, he does the headlights too. So but I just got tired of them looking like crap. So these are already sanded with 1000 wet. I just used my spray bottle, a DA sander with 1000 wet paper, and sand them down real quick. And then I'm going to mask them off and shoot them. And some people will go, well, I'll take them off and shoot them, but you ever taken apart a Volkswagen? They're always really complicated. So I don't know, maybe they're real easy, but regardless, it only takes me like 5 minutes to mask them off, and then it's clear. So if there's a little blowout in the masking, you don't see it anywhere. So anyway, we'll go ahead and show you the stages as we get it done. So then you take your sprayway glass cleaner, clean the area up really good, use some paper towels so they're dry. Sprayway glass cleaner leaves no residue. It's not like some other glass cleaners, and it's dirt cheap. It costs $2 for one of these bottles. Alright, so then after we get it cleaned off with sprayway glass cleaner, I only clean all this crap off. Then I'm going to go ahead and tape it all off. I'm going to use this hand masker. A lot of you guys in the automotive business don't even know these exist, but they're kind of handy for small jobs. If I were an automotive guy, I would have one of these too. They're like $50, and you use those big machines. Those are great for in the spray booth, but for when you're out in the parking lot or on the side lot somewhere. My buddy just takes a roll of 36-inch paper and walks out that stuff off, because this is a little faster. So you can literally mask off a fender. Now I'll just take some 3/4 inch tape and mask off the rest of that in literally in seconds. Alright, so we're all taped off here. Gotta make sure we don't have any wind problems. Don't want anything to blow up here. So I'm all taped off. Just gonna go ahead and now I've already done them with the washed them with the sprayway glass cleaner, because I wanted to get it all off the underneath, because when I pull up my paper I don't want any debris or anything flipping up and hitting my fresh clear. So what we're going to use now is I'm going to use a solvent real quick. Here's a couple different products you can use. They got 3 SEM Solve or Prep All, whatever's cheaper. They both do about the same damn thing. And then what you do is you just take this. I like the spray bottle a little bit better with, and just kind of, you do that so you can kind of look at it and see if there's anything you missed with your sanding or whatever. Just kind of wipe it down with that, and then paper towel dry it real quick. So you're going to paper towel dry it, and then we'll, like, if there's anything you missed or something, because that's how it's going to look with the clear on it. So you're kind of just basically checking everything out again. This is kind of the system I use for just about everything, or you can use the 3M or the SEM Solve, whichever one you have. This one's starting to clog up for some reason. I have to use the Prep All, but kind of stand far away with this stuff and just kind of shoot it on there, because the fan they put on these things is not a fan. And I see a little sanding mist I've got in this one. So I'll show you what that looks like. See if you can see that. You're not gonna be able to see it. But there's like a little sanding mist where I didn't sand something, so I'll sand it real quick. See, that's what you're looking for when you're using this product here, is just looking for those sanding misses or something. And then because whatever you see in this is what's you're gonna see in the finish. Some of it you're not going to get out. I mean, if you play around with it long enough, you can fix just about anything. This one's got a little imperfection in there that I don't think I'm going to get out. It's going to be a little cloudy. So it's no big deal. Still will look a million times better than it did. So it's not 100%, you know, brand new perfect look, but man, you know, imagine if you went a little bit finer paper, you could probably get a little bit nicer or whatever. We're not going to go that far, so we're going to go ahead and shoot the clear now. I'll use the spray it 33,000. I use it for these small jobs, and I'll show you why right here. So it's already been solvent wiped. It's already been hit with spray away glass cleaner. Because there's things that the spray will remove that the other won't. So, and then what I do is I'll just go ahead and just spray this with a really light coat. I got my pressure turned way down. And I'm just going to just mist it up to the finish I want, which is pretty much going to be a no orange peel finish. And the reason I'm using this gun is because I don't want to get overspray on the rest of the car and stuff. So I'm keeping it down to a very minimum. Go ahead and hit this slowly, bring it up now to my desired finish. Yep. Well, I got a video going, so then I just do the desired finish I want, you know, which is the orange peel, super smooth. And then I got enough material on here, 2 coats, that I can buff it out if I want to. What I'm doing, I'm just watching what I'm doing. I'm not trying to shoot gun settings and all that. All right, so that's our finished product. Let's take a look at it. There's a little bit of modeling going on in here. Just like a couple clouds in it because I didn't get it really perfect. If you want to, you can. There's our little spot I was trying to get out. Didn't want to come out very easily. But we're looking at a really nice new headlights, and I saved them because see the Volkswagen emblem in there? Getting new ones, they didn't come with that unless I got new ones from the dealer, and they're a little more pricey than I wanted to spend. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Unmask this thing. I didn't put accelerator in it because I'm going to do that one next, and